This video is about one of the most common problems is we put a display from a tractor into the combine and we get this page warning of controller not available. And what this means is this part of the home screen is looking for what it was plugged into last. So to fix this, we need to go into the menu. We need to go into our layout manager. And we're going to fix this box. So we'll choose this box and then we'll look for what we want to put in that window. In this particular case, we're going to go to the GS3 and we're going to look for the home page that we want to put on there. One of the more common pages for mapping in the combine is our totals and maps. You want to see what the combine is mapping and you want to see the totals across the top. Just select this screen. Make sure that it's included in our home page collection and then we hit accept. So now this page is part of our home pages and it shows our combine, and we'll have our totals and crops up here, and we'll have our coverage or yield maps over here. To fix this, it says set up client farm field, task, and operation to view totals. So we need to fix this. So we go to our menu. We'll go to our GS3 this time, all right, and we'll go to our map settings, and we want to put yield or moisture, whichever one you want. Most common is yield, into that page. Hit accept. We want to put our colored legend map up here, so we'll touch this box. We'll select our legends. We only want to put in a high first. So say our corn, we think it's going to be 200 bushel. So we'll select 200 bushel, and then we want to set a low. I'm going to put in 140 as an example, and I'll accept. All right, and these will be our legends that is going to be just colored on this display. All right, now so we fixed this box, and now we want to fix our operations up here. So we'll go back to our menu. GS3, it's going to be under our resources. We have our client, we have our farm, we have our field located, but we haven't given it a task. So it says documentation off. So we want to select documentation off, and we're going to select harvest for this particular operation. And then we'll have that in there. Make sure our year is correct, and the operator is an option. So now we'll go back to our home page. Then the next step is we have to fix our documentation. Menu, GS3, our documentation tab, and see we don't have anything in here. So we need to change our harvest settings, crop type, corn, brand. We don't have anything in there, so we're going to select a brand and then a variety. You should have all these pre-populated. Now we've got our totals up on top of the screen. So that should set up our page here. We have our screen ready to harvest crop.